Hi guys, so part 3 to guys. Say hi cousin. Say hi to her. Say hi cousin. No. To the vlog. Hi vlog. Hi TikTok. Hi TikTok. Galit na sa inyo guys. Dahil guys, hindi na daw siya pinapansin. And galit na siya. See? Can you see my baby? Can you see my cousin? Oy! Wala, kanina pa to. Ako hulog yung 20. Hala, yung 20 nahulog. Hala guys, nahulog yung 20 ko. Hindi. Na. Sige, okay lang yan. Kunin na lang natin. Diga na kunin. So, di ka kapasok na lang?
Oo.
May nagbukas ng pinto eh. So guys, ay! Ito na lang, mag-vlog muna ngayon. Yan, mabuti na lang, binabalik niya na guys. Ay! Magpakabait ka dyan ha, huwag ka mga away. Don't bully ha. Don't bully Arya. What? Don't bully the vlog ha. I'm here na. You not bully the vlog? I did not. Okay, this is the money. Connect to the vlog. Oh, maayos daw siya sa inyo guys. Totoo ba? Opo. So, yan guys. Tinignan namin yung video. Nagaganto pa siya guys, oh. Do again, do. So, yun. Sarap na higa namin. I can see color white! Kasi yung milk ko. Oh, wait. I video. Like this, ah. There, oh. Again. So guys, titignan na lang ulit namin guys. Guys, natignan na namin. Ano kayang gagawin namin ni Arya? What do you want play? I don't know. Oh, may money oh. Yan. Don't bully the vlog ha. Okay. The video again. Ha? Okay. So guys, tignan nyo guys kung magpapakabait siya. Aalis muna ako ng isang araw. Opo. Wait. Uncle, wait. So guys, kailangan yung cellphone. Wait lang. So guys, ayun na. Titignan na natin kung bubulihin niya ba kayo kung awayin niya. Okay, don't bully the video, ah. I back again later. Bye. Bye. Arya, you bullied the video. Hala guys, ang galing. Tignan nyo guys, yung cellphone nakapalo dito. Nakastand dito guys. Sa legs niya. Yan. You bullied the video. You bullied the video. You bullied the video. Yes? No? Okay, let's see. So, titingnan natin. You bullied the video? Oh no, let's see. Hi guys, so ulit to guys. Siguro mag-ilamos kasi ako guys. Ayan o. Parang pinusod ko guys. Kili-kili ko. Aray ko! Sakit! Yan. Ouch! Aray ko! Aray! So guys, prank lang yung inano niya ako dito guys. So, pinarata. Don't bully the video. Okay. Goodbye. Pakita mo ako habang naglalakad. Okay. Oh, you gonna sit, Arya. You do like this, do like this. And do like that and like that. Why? Because wala. Papakita mo, Arya. Do like that, Nakikita na ka? Oo. Apa. Nakikita na ka? Apa! Bye, guys. Ay, wait lang, guys. Titignan ko muna kung nakaharap sa akin, guys. Let me see. I said do like this, Do like that, Let me do it again. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. I can see you. Okay, so yan na guys. Papakita ni Ate na mag-ilamos na. Bye. Bye. Daddy, may tao! Lalaki! Wait lang po. Do like that na. Do like that. What?
Give it to me first. Salamat.
So guys, siya lang yung magbablog kasi guys, nagbibis pa ako. No, I'm just turning around there, I'm just doing like that, I cannot see you. Mababa na ako sa TikTok. I cannot see you. Arya! I'm not videoing you. I can see my face, Let me see. Daddy, si Arya, binibideo ko. I'm not! Yeah, I'm joking. Doing like this, I'm videoing my feet. Hello, guys.